Hello guys, we are going to start our new WordPress theme development tutorial with ACF Pro. So with this tutorial, we're going to learn very in-depth ACF functionalities, and we will also learn a lot of theme in theme development. So before we start main theme development, we need to set up our environment. Set up our environment, we will use the software called local by Flyway. I already installed and opened that software. I hope you could download it from local by Flyway website and install it on your PC. So at first, we need to click on Add Local Site, create new site, and then give a name of your site. For my tutorial, I give WP Dev and continue. I skip as a preferred settings. Then I username, my name Mokto, and then my password. Okay, I keep this email as it is just a learning purpose. Okay, this installation process is going. We need to keep wait. Before they are asking the password. In the meantime, let's go to the GitHub and my profile. This is my GitHub profile, and there is a startup back on the theme we are going to use. And in the meantime, our web dev setup is ready. You can see I always prefer click add button, one-click add button feature, and select your username. So when you just click, it will not ask the username and password is directly logged into your WordPress backend. So this is kind of cool thing you can always use. So we need to install the theme first. I go to my GitHub profile and there is a repository called WordPress Starter. Go to the repository. You can either download this theme and upload it as a traditional way, but in my case, I'm going to clone the repository. So I copy the link and then let's go to the folder. To go to the folder, you can click this button, go to the site folder. Then you will find the app directory, then public. And then inside the WP content, as you know, is where is the theme located. So I open my terminal here. Okay, I put the command git clone and then paste link, and it is cloning the whole repository in the theme directory. Now, if we go to the Finder and see, you can see the WordPress starter. Our theme is here. Now we can change it, the name of the folder or something. We can put different things. For example, WP div, and so here. Then let's go back to the WordPress dashboard, go to the appearance, and you can see my theme is here. So let's activate it. Then it's activated. You might see why this name is here. We will come to this later on. Let's install the ACF plugin. In the plugin folder, there is no plugin. We will use ACF Pro. So let's install it first. Okay, and let's upload the plugin. The latest one, it's today. Okay, I upload the ACF Pro plugin, then activate it. Okay, cool. Then let's go to the our church, our folder in Finder, and our theme. Let's open it on VS Code. I always prefer using VS Code, but you can use any code editor as you prefer. And if you use VS Code, then I recommend you use this plugin called ACS Snippet, this extension, actually, sorry. And then another extension, WordPress snippet, this WordPress snippet. So it would help a lot in our development. We can see this all the files in our team. I will walk you through all the files one by one later on. You can ask like why I did not build this theme from scratch. Because if we build this theme in scratch, there is a lot of time consuming things. So this is not actually a very large theme or something. It's just the collections of code that always needed. So at the end of the tutorial, we will clean up the theme and remove the unnecessary files from here. Okay, that's all for today. We'll see you in next tutorial. Thank you.